What's up, guys? Thought I'd do a quick walk around on my car. It's a 1982 Datsun 280ZX. It's got the factory headers, performance exhaust, classic 14-inch rims, 225 radials, a custom 240Z wing, custom fitted to the 280. I designed the decals for the back. My dad made them with his decal sheeter. I got a racing wheel in there. Definitely looks a lot better than the tacky stock steering wheels that are quite ugly if you ask me. So mine has the red interior. And I've got the T-top covers and everything. The T-tops are very easy to remove on this car, actually. You just push this up, pull this lever out, and pop it out. It's a piece of cake. I'll pop the hood. I've got the L28. Single cam, sounds really good. Very tough engines, you can't kill them. They'll go over 450,000 properly maintained. I like the design they have of the intake at the front. I like the way the hood comes up like that. All 280ZXs had the turbo intake hood, whether they had a turbo or not. Mine's a non-turbo, obviously. So I'll start her up. See that little red light? It pumps the fuel. You can hear the fuel pump, and then when it's done, it says okay. And also you can do a check thing, an overall check. Everything's fine on it. Alright, I've got the 5-speed stick shift. I've got all the good options you want for a Datsun. Fuel injection, 5-speed, L28, straight 6. Gotta love it. Fires up right away. It actually takes quite a while for this engine to heat up. Right now I already had it warm because I just was driving it. But I took it to the mechanic and he said it was the coldest running engine he's ever had. And that's a very good sign that you've got a very strong engine, very well built engine that keeps cool. New cars, the engines warm up pretty quick. I mean, people like that because their heat comes on faster, but it's actually not as good. I'll give her a few revs for you. Let's do it with the window open. I don't like to rev it up to redline often, but I just blipped it for you. So yeah, she's pretty good on gas. Since I've got the 5-speed with fuel injection, I'd say she gets about 35. So yeah, runs really smooth. I just got the valve stem seals redone recently, so when they get old or if they sit for a while, you need to get the valve stem seals replaced. But this one has really low clicks. I'm at 152. I bought the car when it was at 130, I think. Also, another thing about this Datsun is that from stock, all the options it has are, it has no power steering, no power windows, pretty much anything that they could have got rid of to reduce weight, they did. And I really like that. In fact, the guy who bought this car new and optioned it off, he chose pretty much all the options I would have chose. Non-turbo. Turbos aren't a big deal for me. When the engine sounds this good, I mean, this car just flies through the corners. And the turbos from back then they had a lot of turbo lag, so it's got the original factory optioned light covers to reduce wind drag. That does help with mileage too. So I'm very happy with this car.